How to restore deleted WhatsApp chats without a backup? Well, let's say that you deleted your chat by mistake or you uninstalled the WhatsApp and without backing up. Now, if you did have backed up, you could head into settings, you could head into chats there, and you could export the chat here from the backup here. So you can see chat backup. You can simply proceed to remove the account, and then while you open it back again, it'll ask you to whether you would like to restore your chat. So you could do that. But now, since you haven't backed it up, what can you do? Well, unfortunately, there is no any way to get around that. Now, if it is your same device and if you recently deleted your chat, then you can use other softwares to restore your deleted chats. You can try it through various softwares that is available. You can check out YouTube videos for that. Now, however, if this is your new device, so basically this is my new device, this is my iPhone. I previously used my WhatsApp on an Android device, so I backed it up on my Android, and now I don't have any backups on iOS, right, on iCloud. So when I open it up, all my chat is gone. Now I do have it backed up, so I can restore it on my Android device, but here you can see there is no any chats left. So hope this video was helpful, hope you understood it. Like and subscribe.